In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Bivariate Thematic Map. To access the Bivariate map, there's two ways. You can open up a new tab by clicking on the plus button here in the top left, select Thematics, and then select Bivariate Thematic Map. Or you can go back to your home menu, click on Add View, and select the fourth option, Bivariate Thematic Map. Both of these methods will get you to the exact same map. So let's go ahead and close one of these. And you may be wondering what a bivariate map is. Well, it's an analysis that uses two variables to determine a relationship between those two data sets. And you can only use this type of map if you've imported or created data in your AlignMix file. Here in the top left, you can see the two data sets that have been chosen for this analysis. But you can choose any other data set by clicking on this drop-down menu, and you can select those data sets here. If you've imported sales accounts, you can even do this thematic map by using accounts. So let's stick with the potential value and sales. As you're looking at this map, you'll notice that the colors correspond to your legend here in the top right. So areas that are white fall into this white section, green fall into the upper left section, and red in the bottom right section. And we can change those breakpoints by clicking here in the top left to click on Set Breakpoints. And then you can click here and drag it up and down and adjust those sections for those two variables. And then when you click OK, that will be adjusted on the map to reflect those changes. So let's do that again and move it a different way, like so, and pull it over even further. Click OK. Now you'll see the map reflects automatically what we've adjusted there in the breakpoints. You can also change the breakpoints manually by typing in the new numbers in this cell here. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the Bivariate Thematic Analysis tool here in AlignMix.